Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I am back for Trinity Stamps. Trinity Stamps is celebrating the holidays with a 12 Days of Christmas event. Come visit us each day from December 1st to the 14th, excluding Sundays, for special posts each day on our video channel here on YouTube and our blog. Trinity Stamps will be giving away two $75 gift certificates and two $50 gift certificates for a total of $250 in giveaways. It is Trinity Stamps' special way of saying happy holidays and appreciation to show to their customers. Winners will be chosen using random.org from those who comment throughout the 12 days of Christmas. The more comments you leave, the better chances of winning. The winners will be announced between December 15th to December 20th on the blog and on the YouTube channel. If you are watching this video on my YouTube channel, I will be leaving a link in the description box below for Trinity Stamps YouTube channel, so you can leave a comment there for your chance to win. For day 4 of the event, I will be sharing with you how I packaged my Christmas gifts or treats using some products from Trinity. The first one that I'm showing you here is the seasonal cup decor standalone die set that goes well with the mini paper cup craft kit that is available at the shop. And if it's sold out, you can just message Tanisa and I'm sure she will be restocking this. I'm also using the mini coffee cup sleeve and decor die set that coordinates with this craft kit. And the stamp set that I'm using today is called Merry and Bright, and I used it as a tag for my Christmas treat. I've already stamped and colored my tag here that I will be using for my Christmas package, so that I can just show you how I packaged all of the treats here. The first thing that I did was to die cut all of the elements that I needed to decorate the mini coffee cup. The red sleeve here is part of the mini coffee cup sleeve and decor die set, and I've die cut that with red cardstock. So I will be die cutting all of the other components now to decorate the cup. The first thing that I did was to attach the red part of the coffee sleeve here, and then attach the white portion of it, and then the black one to act as the belt. I've also die cut the gold buckle in gold cardstock, and then I will just be adhering that with liquid glue. This mini paper cup craft kit is so perfect for little treats that you can give as Christmas gifts, or not just Christmas but also birthday and other occasions. You can decorate your mini coffee cups by purchasing the dies that are available separately at the Trinity Stamps shop. Now I'm trying to just finish the top part of this, and I die cut that circle and adhere that on top of the coffee cup cover with some foam adhesive for added dimension. I have these iridescent little bag filler from Daiso that I purchased, and I'm just putting that inside, and then I'm also going to put the pair of earrings that I got from my daughter. I apologize that I couldn't show you the gift because this is actually meant for my daughter and she watches my videos, so I didn't want to kind of ruin the surprise. But this is how I'm going to package the pair of earrings, and then this comes with a little bag, and I will also be decorating that with some jingle bells and some greenery to finish the design. And here's what it looks like once I added the greenery and the gold jingle bell, and I really love how this one turned out. The next package was wrapped in just plain white paper, and I added the greenery, and then I used that cute tag from the Merry and Bright stamp set as a tag for my gift. This is also another gift for my daughter. That's why I couldn't show you what it is, but I really enjoyed using these components to package my Christmas gifts for this holiday season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to leave a comment on the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel for your chance to win one of the prizes, and winners will be announced from the 15th to the 20th of December. Thank you so much again for joining me today, and happy crafting!